Hello everyone, I am Dr. Parul Garg, Associate Director in Radiology Department of JP Hospital, Noida. I am a senior consultant radiologist and I specialize in breast imaging and interventions. So today I am here to talk to you about breast cancer and what can we do for its early diagnosis. Breast cancer is the most common cancer in women in India, and every 4 minutes one woman is being diagnosed with breast cancer, and every 8 minutes one woman is dying of breast cancer. It is spreading like an epidemic, and many females who are in their younger age group, 30 to 50 years of age, are being affected by it. And as you know, females once affected don't affect only themselves, the entire family is affected. So it is very important that we diagnose breast cancer at an early stage, because early diagnosis can lead to early treatment, and it can definitely save lives of many women who are suffering or are going to suffer from breast cancer. So what can we do for early diagnosis? So there are two steps. One is self-breast examination. All women should examine their own breast at least once a month, so that they are familiar with their breast, their looks, their feel, so that whenever there is a new change developing in the breast, they come to know of it, and then they can consult the doctor for any change which can represent an early sign of breast cancer. What are the changes that you have to look during self-breast examination? First of all, there can be a change in the size of the breast. The breast can become large or it can even become smaller. There can be a change in the nipple. Nipple can be drawn inwards, which is called retraction. There can be change in the color of the skin. It can become red, blackish, or there can be retraction or thickening of the skin. Many times there is also discharge from the nipple. Any discharge, especially which is bloody, should be consulted for. So these are the things which you have to look in self-breast examination. There are methods of self-breast examination. You can go to your doctor and learn about how to examine your breast yourselves. Now second is screening mammography. What is screening mammography? Mammography is a very high resolution, low dose X-ray of the breast, and mammograms are the test which can catch cancers at a very early stage. Whenever we examine the breast or we feel any problem in the breast like a lump, it is usually about 2 to 3 centimeters in size when we start feeling it. But a mammogram can detect a cancer maybe at about 3 millimeters to 5 millimeters of size. And we can all imagine when a 3 to 5 mm tumor is removed, the surgery will definitely be small rather than when it is larger in size. So what is screening? Screening means that any normal female who does not have any problem comes for mammography examination. When should mammography start? Every female should get a mammography done after 40 years of age, and this has to be done yearly. So there are many protocols prevalent with doctors also and with patients also, that it should be done at 2 years, 3 years. But no, the internationally accepted protocol is that annually you have to come for your screening mammography examination. Now there are many myths about mammography, which because of which the females do not want to come for their mammography examinations. Most common of this is a radiation hazard. They have heard from their friends and other members of the society that there is a radiation risk in mammograms. There is no radiation risk. The radiation is very tiny, and the benefits definitely outweigh the very tiny dose of radiation, because it is just equivalent to the radiation you receive from the atmosphere in about a week. Especially on good digital mammography machines, there is almost no radiation risk. In JP Hospital, we have a very good digital mammography machine and a very good setup for breast investigations. So you can always come up here and get your examination done. The second most common myth is that there is pain during mammography examination. There is no pain. There is slight compression of about few seconds for the mammography, and then it is over. And believe me, the risk of pain or any radiation is very small as compared to the benefits it may cause by diagnosing the cancers at a very small stage. Also, sometimes females feel that they don't have any problem in their breast. Why should they go for mammography? But a screening test means that you have to get your normal breast examination, because when you feel or when you start feeling any problem, it will be grown to a slightly later stage rather than mammography detecting it at a very early stage. So friends, please take out time for yourselves. Your life is important for yourself as well as your family, and just take care of your health. Get a regular checkup and a screening mammography, and also a clinical breast examination done by any doctor, so that we can fight with this breast cancer by diagnosing it early. Thank you so much.